Yo, what's good everybody? My name is Phatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the other effect they added into the FL Studio 20.9 Beta 7, and this is called the pitch shifter. If you want to test out the beta, you can do so by clicking the link in the description. You can download the beta program and mess with it. But remember, it is a beta, so all things might not work how they should. So just keep that in mind. But this is the pitch shifter, okay? This is a super next level effect. Unfortunately, though, it only does come with the all plugins edition of FL Studio. So if you have any of the other editions, you will only be able to use the trial mode of it. You won't be able to use the full edition, which is unfortunate. But once you start to hear it and see the potential with it, I mean, it makes sense why they put it in the all plugins edition, because this really is next level. So we have this vocal sample here. If we play it, that already sounds really dope, but we can manipulate that voice. And the other thing this can do is it can do all this for music. It's got a music tab or a voice tab, so you can pitch shift either one of these. But since we're on the voice, we'll just keep it there, okay? Let's talk about some of the sliders and knobs in here. We got the pitch. That's what's actually going to be pitching it up or down, anywhere up to 1200 cents down to negative 1200 cents, okay? You got the format right here, and that lets you kind of get a cleaner pitch and choose what kind of pitch format it's going to be. Right over here is the format correction, okay? This is how much it's going to be correcting the notes. So here in a second, you'll see if it's all the way up, it can sound a little muddy. You kind of bring it down to make it sound clean. And then you can actually put delay on over here, and you can actually mix the pitch in with the original sample, and you can get some really crazy stuff. All of this can be automated if you right click and create automation clips. So it's really next level for what you can do. Oh, also in the pitch analysis here, you can choose what kind of pitch it's going to do, a relative, absolute, C4, C5, C6. And then you can choose if you want it fast or accurate. I got it on accurate because we want it to be pitching accurately, not just quickly. And then you could do left, right, left plus right. Let's do left plus right and see how that sounds. Now, we're going to mess with this, bring it back on, and let's just mess with it and change some things. I know I want to bring it up to about 600 cents and then bring the format up. We can bring that up to 600 cents as well for right now. And then we'll listen to it and move this knob down. So as you can see, you can get some crazy stuff with this. You really just got to manipulate it and find the right sauce with it. Now, this vocal sample is already heavily manipulated, so when we pitch it, it's pitching all the effects on it as well, which, you know, can come out dope, can come out unique, but also can come out sounding a little weird. So try it with raw vocal samples. Try it with samples, like just music samples and all sorts of stuff, because like I said, it's got a music tab. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is one of the effects they added in the FL Studio 20.9 Beta 7 update. Like I said, if you want to test that beta out, you can download the program with the link in the description. Shout out ImageLine, shout out everything they do with FL Studio, because this is one of the best DAWs out there, and that's no lie. So yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.